Hello. So in the last tutorial, we went step by step and put in the history for a code. At the beginning, as you practice and learn to put things in, you need to know how to delete and redo parts of the history. So this is a quick tutorial to show you how to delete different sections of the history so you can re-input, either for practice or just to correct your mistakes. So let's get started. Starting from the chief complaint, clicking on this main box, chief complaint, double clicking on it gives you this dialog box where you have cough. So you can highlight the cough, and then up here you could go to remove, click on that. It questions, do you want to delete? Yes. And now you see I've removed the cough. To X out of the box, as always, you go up to X. So now our chief complaint is blank. If you wanted to add a chief complaint, you would click on chief complaint, press the add button, and here we can put in the cough again. And then we would X out. And so that's how we handle the chief complaint. On the HPI, click on HPI. So we have a cough. We said 1 week congested cough. First, we could change or take out the duration. Click on duration box. It's highlighted automatically for you, and you could actually just hit your delete key, or you could manually delete with your mouse. To get rid of this line, we go to clear. You press clear and you see it's off. Okay, so now you see we have removed that. This X is still there, so if you do not take the X off, it will still say complaints off. Just to show you, let's X out. So on the H, let's X out again. So here you see it still says complaints of cough. So if you want to remove the cough completely, what you need to do is remove that X. So now if you go back on our HPI, there's no cough mentioned. So how do we remove this runny nose? Same thing, click on the HPI. It's the ENT section, just to mention that, because we have two sections, the ENT section. If we were going to the other section, we would hit this to look at the constitutional, but we're still working on the ENT section. And we wanted to get rid of runny nose. I don't see it here, so we have to scroll down. And here's runny nose. There's actually a fast way to press this X button to remove it, but we'll do it the other way just to maintain consistency. So let's take the X out. 1 week duration. Again, it's highlighted for you, so you just have to press the delete button. This part, you just go to clear, click clear, and so now the running nose is blank. We want to put it back in again. We will put the X, we will put a duration, and so on. We're going to delete the whole history. So let's go on constitutional. So I'm going to move faster now. Removing the X, there's nothing to remove. Removing the X, I need to remove the sleep. So click on it. Clear, it's off. Nutrition, I need to remove this, so click on it. Notes, clear. X out to see our progress. So now our HPI is blank, the way it was at the beginning. Review of systems. Let's do review of systems. Click on review of systems. Again, it has all the different systems. So this is the general system. We actually have some buttons down here, and we could clear the category which refers to the general, or could actually clear the whole review of systems. For this, we'll just use clear category like that. You see they've gone. And if we X out and look at our view of systems, you see now it just has GI and dermatology. We could remove both of these at the same time. Review of systems. Instead of doing category, we could do clear all. Let's try that one. Clear all. It says, do you want to clear all? Yes. So now when we X out, you see our review of systems is blank. So you can actually delete the whole review of systems with that one click we just did instead of by section. Let's go to examination. So you could delete it item by item. So let's say general appearance. We only want to delete this row. We click on it and then we have clear and you see it has removed and OK. So you could do that item by item, row by row by clicking on it and then pressing the clear. You could actually remove this whole category with one click. If you go down here where it says clear category, we'll clear everything under this brief general. So let's press that. It gives you this scary message, all documents attached will also get cleared, but ignore that, just say yes. So now the whole thing with one click. So you could clear your brief general exam with just one click, clear category, or you can go row by row. Let's X out and see our progress. So now we've got everything out except the assessment. So let's click on assessment. So to get rid of the assessment, you click on it and go down where it says remove and press the remove button. Are you sure you want to remove? Yes. So now our diagnosis is out. So you can X out and you see assessment is out. So let's continue. Treatment, click on treatment. We want to take this medication out. So we would click on the name. If you click on the other part of the row, you'll get a dialog box where it helps you change the dose and strength. But we want to delete the whole thing, so we have to click on the name. So Bromfed. And then you go up where it says remove. Are you sure I want to delete the prescription? Yes. So now the prescription is off. We wrote push fluids in our notes. So to delete that, we go along. It says clear. Click on that. Are you sure you want to clear the note? Yes. So the note has cleared. Let's X out and see our progress. So it looks like we have two more things. The next appointment. So let's click on that. And sometimes we get this error message. So the next appointment, we can clear. There's a button here, clear, on the follow-up. So we just press that and see now it's empty. To select 1 week, now it says follow-up in 1 week. To clear, you just press clear, it's clear. We have to change the reason. So just press clear and the reason goes off. The evaluation code, how do we get rid of that? So we click on that. And once you click on that, go up here, it says remove. So press remove. Do you want to remove the code? Yes. The code is off. So let's X out and see where we're at. So now you see our whole history is empty. So we're back to where we was. Well, the cough we have put back in. Let's get rid of the cough. So press cough. Remove. Do you want to remove? Yes. So now we are back to our blank sheet, empty history and physical. So now you know how to input and you know how to remove or correct or change. Thank you for watching.